We are looking at how to pronounce the name of famous Korean car manufacturer, a brand that is very well established globally by now, but it's always the same struggle. How do you go about pronouncing the name of this brand? Well, I'm going to give you a pronunciation that is as close as you can sort of get it from the original genuine Korean pronunciation of the brand, and that would be Hyundai. 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 Hyundai, not Hyundai or Hyundai, Hyundai, Hyundai. The Koreans would say it slightly differently, but it's very difficult to exactly mimic, but that would be essentially Hyundai, Hyundai. Hyundai is essentially how you want to say it. Here are many more videos on how to pronounce all of the car brands from all around the world, the Italians, the French, the Germans, all of them. Here they are.